Hi and welcome to Lesson 4 of Chain Products for WooCommerce, setting up advanced offers, BOGOs, and nesting. In this video about chained products, I will show you how to set up advanced offers such as buy one, get one, create nested bundles, and manage bundle offers to maximize sales. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on All Products. Now edit a product, scroll down. In Product Data, click on Linked Products. Add the same product and chain the product. Make sure to keep its quantity to 1. Once the same product is added, scroll up and click on the Update button. Now our Buy One, Get One product is ready. Click on View Product. Now add to the cart. Your Buy One, Get One offer is ready. Customers will automatically receive the extra item when they purchase this product. Now let's create a nested bundle. Edit a product. Scroll down to Product Data. Click on the Linked Products tab. In Chained Products, add the main product that is already chained. Once the chained product is added, scroll up and click on Update. Now let's view the nested product. Now click on Add to Cart. As you can see, we have successfully created a nested bundle. These headphones are chained to this notebook laptop. This notebook is chained to this TV. Now customers can get all these items bundled together, including the nested bundles. To make your offers attractive, consider setting up discounts for bundles. For example, I will add a discount to this product. Edit the product, scroll down. Keep the regular price the same and decrease the sale price. Once the discounted price is added, scroll up and click on Update Product. You can also use banners or coupons to highlight these deals in your store. When creating advanced bundles, keep your product titles and descriptions clear. For example, you can mention, "This deal includes a free item," or "contains 3 bonus items to grab attention." That's it. You have set up advanced offers like Buy One, Get One, and nested bundles. Try these strategies to boost your sales and promotions in your store. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.